Watch this entire application built without typing a single line of code. No, it's not a clickbait. Vibe coding is changing everything for developers, and most people are sleeping on it. Watch how I built this Postman clone in minutes. Vibe coding is not just another buzzword. It is coding literally with vibes. Plain English prompts which AI turns into working software. Let me show you how I did it. Step 1. I ask GitHub Copilot to list the basic feature of Postman. Nothing fancy, just conversational language. Step 2. I simply ask create a clone of Postman with these features and call it Postwoman. And that's it. No structure specified, no architecture discussed. And now watch what's happening. Claude 3.7 is creating files, running terminal commands, and fixing errors completely autonomously. And the result, a fully functional API testing tool with get, post, patch, environment handling, authentication handling, and even request history. All of the core functionality works. I did not write a single line of code. I did not even have to understand how it is working under the hood. This is not just about being lazy, it's about democratizing software development. Now, junior devs can build a complex application, non coders create custom tools, and senior engineers can focus on architecture instead of boilerplate. Is it perfect? Absolutely no. You still need somebody to review the security vulnerabilities and maintain the code base. But for prototyping and personal project, this changes everything. Try for yourself. Link for the repo is in comments. Drop a comment what you think about the vibe coding and follow for more AI tools which are actually worth your time.